Presenting Procus Viper camera with dimension 2.98 by 5.92 by 4.1 centimeters, weighing 58 grams. This camera comes with chipset. It captures at 16 megapixel and 30 frames per second. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi that instantly shares images and videos. This Procus Viper camera comes with waterproof up to 30 meters. With the included waterproof case, you are free to take your Viper action camera to the swimming pool or in rain. It also supports HDMI. 140 degrees wide-angle lens ensure maximum field coverage. This product also comes with 1050 mAh battery. This camera features slow motion, loop record, time-lapse, burst photo, timer, etc. It also comes with image resolution 16, 10, 8, 5 and 2 megapixel. It has a slot for class 10 and memory card up to 64 GB. It also supports many languages. The box includes Procus Viper action camera, waterproof case, handlebar, back clip, 2x switch support, helmet pedestal, communicator, bandages pack of 4, adhesive pack of 2, USB cable tethers pack of 4, wire cable, manual and lens cleaning cloth. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.